In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Reddit videos. If you found a video on Reddit that you want to save for offline viewing, the process is actually very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. This method starts on Reddit, then uses a Reddit video downloader website to grab the video file from the link you copy. First, go to Reddit. You can do this in your web browser or in the Reddit app, depending on where you normally browse. Once you're on Reddit, take a moment to find the post that contains the video you want to download. Make sure it's the actual video post, so you're working with the correct content before moving on. When you've located the video, look for the share option on that post and click it. On Reddit, the share button is usually easy to spot and gives you different ways to send or copy the post. This is the key step because you need the direct post link in order to use a downloader. If you're on mobile, the share menu may slide up from the bottom of the screen. On desktop, it may open as a small menu near the post. Next, click Copy Link. This copies the Reddit post URL to your clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. After you do this, it's a good idea to double check that you copied the correct link, especially if you had multiple posts open. The downloader will only work properly if the link points to the Reddit video post you want to save. Now go to a Reddit video downloader, open a new browser tab, and navigate to a downloader website designed for Reddit videos. There are several available online, and the general process is usually very similar across most of them. Just make sure the site has a text field where you can paste the Reddit link. Once you're there, paste the link into the input box and click Download. The downloader will process the Reddit post and generate a downloadable version of the video. Depending on the website, you may see one download option or several quality tiers. Choose the version you want and save the file to your device. That's all it takes. Go to Reddit, find the video, click Share, copy the link, open a Reddit video downloader, and paste the link to download the video. If you're saving videos often, this is a quick workflow that becomes even easier after you do it once or twice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.